Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. 4.2 hectares clean title. Located in Barangay San Francisco, Baybol. 2 kilometers from National Highway. 2 ka kilometro gikan sa highway. So, mao ni siya guys, nindot kayo. It's really a good listing. It has coconut trees, banana trees. And there are also several fruit trees like star apple kay Mito, and usa kuan guys, papaya. May kapayas niya. Electricity connection still available. So yeah, these are the coconut trees guys. It was plow gidaro sa Tagiya. Plow by the owner by using his Yanmar tractor, big tractor. Mana siya guys, nindot kayo. So those clean location are still included. Katong tasunahan, katong na limpyo, clean location. Kanang limpyo. No. Kana unahan no. Balanta na nagitapok ng tao. Nanaw po na sila. So, kini na nga limpyo guys, apil na kanang napir. And it has also a rice field. Dili lang irrigated ang rice field guys. So the rice field is not irrigated. So kana napier na guys, nindot sana siya magtanom ka mga napier for your baka or cow. So maunay na kanindot guys. Sapa man. So nindot kayo ang property no. Labis kayo ang property for sale kay develop na siya. It is really a developed property. So nindot na siya kaayo. Then this is the rice field also no. This is the rice field. So see, very nice property for sale. Imagine, 2 lang ka kilometro gikan sa highway. Although it's rough road, the rough road is around 1 kilometer and the concrete is 2 kilometers. But according to the owner of this property, by this coming March, and according to the barangay captain in the area, no, it will become a concrete road because the budget was already there. So naanay budget guys. So nindot kayo. Di nakamagmahay. Yeah, there guys, it's a northern part of Bohol which is around 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Then you know, by there is already an airport. Makita man na sa news no. Yeah. They will have a flight soon in the airport of Ubay. Naanapi ilang gamon nga flight diha. So this is the banana trees. So meaning Ubay is a progressive town, okay? Naman na itong vlog pod kanang ilahang airport no. Nagihimong resinganan na lang pero nakita na ko sa news nga bag-o. Amo ni ang giingon akong Star apple kay mito kini ang punuan. Ana siya. Nga continue ta sa tong istorya. Ang airport ila ng butangan og flight murag kuan ng local Manila to Cebu or Manila to Bohol o Ubay. Possible ingon ana. So meaning kamong taga Manila o taga Bohol nga naa sa Manila, di na mo moagi Cebu o di na mo moagi og Panglao International Airport. Diretso na lang mo sa Ubay katong taga Ubay dapit, taga Anda, taga Talibon, taga Trinidad, basta mga northern part of Bohol. Diretso na mo diri dapit pohon maling Ginoo, no? Kay nasa news makita na to nga si Governor Aris Omentado posing nagpa-picture nga naay flight umaabot mura gitawag og gagmay nga eroplano. Isa yung gagmay pud kaayo, no? Mukarga go po siguro og sobras na po o 20 katao. This is the rice field, guys. Wala ka nang dakong hawan tulong nga lubi tas babaw. Apil pa to, guys. That's included. So, nidot kay itong property. Na pa yung mga lubi, na yung mga bungag yun, as in. Pakaon pa may ni owner o lubi diri butong. So, mana siya, guys. Yan, mao lagi to. Yang presyo is 100 pesos per square meter. Because, you know, his wife was there already in Canada. Ito na sa Alberta, Canada. Larga po siya sunod, pero sahay naghesitant na siya gumikan sa kadaghan na kuno nga way trabaho nga tuas Canada. 50-50 na gani kuno siya mobaligya ani, pero nagi mo palit iya na lang baligya. So mana nga yang presyo is fix. Di na gid siya pwede mosos on. This is the deep well, guys, so no problem with the water, no? All you have to do is to clean up the deep well. So limpyuhan na lang na nimo, guys. Diretso na ka. Pwede na ka mo gamit. Dako kay hawan, mingaw sa dire or nainibor gamay lang. This is his temporary house or farmhouse. Yan na electricity, guys. There is an electricity of that house po. So, mo na siya. 30 minutes drive from Anda, Bohol, White Sand Beaches. Mag-mall ka adto lang ka sa Talibon. Although in Ubay there was a coming as per news mall pod nga ibutang. And this tractor, guys, for sale sa dinia. So aside from that, no, nakoy solar panel, no? Pero separate ang presyo ana. Milyon po na kapin. Kay bag-o pa na, 2 years pa na niya napalit. And this is the kuano, yung farmhouse. So iyagin ning limpyuhan kanunay palangga gid kayo niya ang iyang property. So mana siya, guys. So pwede ka mag cattle farming, goat farming, plant any kinds of crops. Piggery, pwede sa piggery diri kay wala magkay silingan. Mana siya, guys. Manang neighborhood niya. Malantaw to nimong giingon nga kadtong sa Alicia, Bohol bitaw nga na didto ang adto dito itong mga murag tourist spots adto guys katong ipakita. So niya ipatangan yung no trespassing. So kadto murag mga mountains ko anto siya guys, tourist guide, tourist spot to. Okay, thank you.